Hi guys, how is everyone? Today I come here to read a book for you guys. And this book, it's called Cleo the Cat. The author is Estella Blackstone and Caroline Mockford. Let's go. Cleo the Cat. Cleo the Cat. I will read and then I'll show you the picture, okay? Cleo wakes up. Cleo winks. Cleo is waking up. Cleo yawns. Cleo blinks. Cleo needs a friend. Cleo is all alone. Cleo takes a walk. Cleo wants a home. Cleo finds a house. Cleo looks inside. Cleo hears a noise. Cleo tries to hide. Cleo feels hungry. Meow, meow, meow. Here's a bowl of milk for you. Cleo is happy now. Cleo licks her paw. Cleo takes a leap. Cleo licking her paw. Cleo takes a leap. Cleo starts to purr. Cleo falls asleep. The end. Isn't this a cute book? I love it. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.